Learn to read with Auntie Whitney.
Hello, boys and girls. Our story time today is about the fat cat and the big bug. But before we read our story, let's say the short vowel sounds first. A, E, I, O, O. Good job. Now, because we read from left to right, we're going to practice blending using our consonant B along with these short vowel sounds. Are you ready? Good. Let's go. Ba, be, bi, ba, ba. Good. Now one more thing. We are going to practice blending these short sounds in words. Are you ready? Bag, beg, big, bog, bog. Let's get reading. The fat cat sat on a red mat. The fat cat was hungry. The big bug pitched on Sam's laptop. The bug spotted the fat cat. The fat cat spotted the bug. What do you think will happen next? The bug ran from the cat. The cat jumped after the bug. The bug did not get far. Uh-oh! The big bug is now the fat cat's dinner. The end.
Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.